Okay, so today is Monday, the 3rd of August, and that's me going to mow the lawn because the tropical storm is supposed to hit us this afternoon, so after it's gonna be soaked, and I haven't been able to mow the lawn last week, so let's go. That's what it looks like, this depth. Doesn't look because it's kind of this lower size growing plants, but it's high. For them it's high, for this kind of plants it's high, and look at the size with the lawnmower. Here we are. Three neater accessories of the day. Here we are, that's cleaner. Couldn't finish because I went out of gas. I didn't want to fill up again because it's gonna evaporate. So little detail, I do the thread one day. Today is Monday the 3rd of August, and we have a tropical storm warning. Tropical storm warning, borderline hurricane, because I've seen some alerts of hurricane, maybe more on the shore side. So we are supposed to secure all flying objects. So I'm going to put away the trash can and everything. Storm warning, so I'm going to put away everything I can. That stuff has to go, so that can stay. All this. I will go downstairs. I remove that. And that. And later I secure the door. Wednesday. That's super heavy, but that's not heavy, so that goes. Everything is put away. Here I put away everything. I have to secure the wheelbarrow. I don't like that. Seems lightweight. It's closed. Secure the doors. What can we take here? All this crap. That's tight. This one is tight too. Not very tight, but here we are. Way better. One is not enough. Here we are. Here, this one. And this one. So they won't go anywhere, no trash. I have to buy this other bungee cords again. The one with the clip is better than just the hook. Here we are. There's a poubelle. Calm before the storm. It's all grey, but no wind, no nothing. 6:15 p.m. Okay, so regarding the storm, just starting. It's like 10 minutes before 9 p.m. and pouring rain suddenly, all of a sudden, in a dash. So that's the storm is starting. And also regarding the storm, so today is Monday, the 3rd of August. So I did all my prep early on this afternoon, I mean around noon, and then we got information from the county, and then around 7 p.m. we also got an email from the consulate. So they don't write each time there is a problem, like a bad weather. When they write, it's like serious. So we got that email from the consulate. So today I wrote an email to my parents and family and friends in France so they can monitor the situation from there. That's the procedure we are supposed to do. And also last stuff, like just before I was eating around 8 p.m. the tropical storm Isai actually has been upgraded back to a hurricane in Carolina. So we'll see how it goes, if it goes up as a hurricane to us or if it downgrades again to tropical storm. But it was downgraded and then upgraded again, so let's cross our fingers because it would be a disaster.